Darkness at the break of noon, shadows, even the silver spoon, the handmade blade, the child's balloon, eclipses both the sun and moon. To understand it up too soon, there is no sense in trying. Only cuts they bluff with scorn, suicide where marks are torn. When the fool's gold mouth is a hollow horn, place wasted words and proves to one. He not busy being born, is busy dying. Temptation's page flies out the door. You find yourself at war. Watch waterfalls of pity roar. Feel to moan but unlike before. Discover that you just be one more person crying. So don't fear if you hear that foreign sound in your ear. It's alright, Mom. I'm only sorry. Someone victory sundown fun. Private reasons, bed of smoke can be seen in the eyes of those that call. They go that shut the kid to crawl. Others say don't hate nothing at all except hatred. Disillusion words are like bullets back. Human gods aim for the mark and make everything from toy guns aspire. To first come across the glow in the dark. Easy to see without looking too far, not much is really secret. While preachers preach of evil fits, teachers teach that knowledge waits and lead to $100 plates. Goodness hides behind its gates. Even the President of the United States sometimes must have to stand naked. All the rules of the road have been lost. It's people's games you got to dodge. But it's alright now, I can make it. Advertising signs that con you into thinking that you the one that can do what's never been done, that can win what's never been won. Meantime, life outside goes on all around you. You lose yourself and then you reappear. Suddenly find you got nothing to fear. Alone you stand with nobody near. When I tremble and distant voice unclear. Silence your sleep and ears to hear somebody thinks that they really have found you. The question in your nerves is lit, but you know that there is no answer fit to satisfy you so you're not to quit. Keep it in your mind and don't forget, it ain't he or she or them or it that you belong to. Hello, the masters break the rules for the wise men and the fools. I got nothing more to live up to. Old little judges watch people in pairs, live today and 60 there, push fake miles, insult and stare. Money doesn't talk, it swears. Obscenity, who really cares? Propaganda, all is phony. Oh, then the defend what they cannot see, but the killer's pride. Security blows the minds most bitterly. Then they think death's honesty won't fall upon them naturally. Life sometimes must get lonely. Minds collide head on with stuffed graveyards. False goals are scuff at pettiness, which plays so rough. Walk upside down inside handcuffs. Take my legs to crash it out. Say, alright, I've had enough. What else can you show me? I thought dreams could be seen. They probably put my head in a guillotine. But it's a work now. It's a life and life.